For b, I will define my function f of x as cube root of x and a as 8 because it's easy to calculate cube root of 8, and 8.02 is close enough to 8. So to get L of x, we need f of a, which is 2. We also need f prime of a, 8, and f prime of x is 1 over 3 cube root of x squared, and in this case f prime of 8 is 1 over 3 times cube root of 8, which is 2 squared is 4, so 4 times 3 is 12. So L of x now is f of a, f prime of a times x minus a. So cube root of 8.02, which is approximately equal, which is equal to f of 8.02, approximately equal to L of 8.02, and this is 2 plus 1 over 12 times 8.02 minus 8. That's 0.02 over 12. That I think is 1 over 600. That's 2 plus 1 over 600. Okay, I'm trying to save space, but 2 plus 1 over 12 times 0.02. So if you cancel that out, it gives you 1 over 600. So this is 601 over 600 is the, no, what's 6 times 2, 12. Is the approximate value for cube root of 8.02. C, they want us to approximate natural log of 1.1. So naturally we take f of x to be natural log of x, and we take a to be 1. Let me use a different marker. So c is natural log of 1.1 they want us to calculate. So we're going to write f of x as natural log of x, and a as 1. So f of a is natural log of 1 is 0, and f prime of x is 1 over x. So f prime of 1 is 1 over 1, which is 1. So L of x is L of a plus f prime of f of a plus f prime of a times x minus a. And so this means that L of x is just x minus 1. So natural log of 1.1, which is f of 1.1, is approximately L of 1.1. That's 1.1 minus 1. This is 0.1. So 0.1 is an approximate value for natural log of 1.1. Okay. The last one is sine of 0.1, and in this case I'll choose f of x to be sine of x and a to be 0, and I'm assuming that they want sine of 0.1, where 0.1 is just 0.1 radians, not degrees, because in degrees the derivatives is a little bit different. So f of 0 being sine of 0 equals 0. F prime of x, if x is in radians, is cosine of x. So f prime at 0 is cosine 0, which equals 1. So L of x is 0 plus 1 times x minus 0. So that means that L of x equals x. Again, x has to be in radians, and so I'm assuming 0.1 radians. Okay? So sine of 0.1, which is f of 0.1, is approx L of 0.1, which is plug 0.1 in for x, gives you 0.1. And that's the approximate value of sine of 0.1 based on linearization. And this is it. All right.